Laksan nyo yung report nyo.
Party malba pa. Party medical pa. Party medical pa. Back to prison. Move!
Wala pa. Wala pa ang report. Ilang casualty? Ha? Ilang recover? Ilang baril? Ilang magasin?
TCP. This is Scorpio over. Full about. Target 10. May 2026. Gold Charlie. 5-1. Papat Tango. 941. Portilito. Third squad. Second platoon. Led by Infok Bitalak. At the vicinity of Purok Baguio, Barangay Acacia. We encounter a new People's Army terrorist group. Ammunition, 70%. Casualty, government side, none. Enemy side, 7 body counts. Equipment, government side, all serviceable. Enemy, recover, 3 R4, 4 M16, 2 jungle pack, and 5 magazine. Any advisor?
Okay, good. Proceed to next objective. Foot patrol. Pag foot patrol, lahat natin diretso doon sa may sitawan. Tandaan nyo, may ambush yan. No? Distansya nyo, tandaan nyo. Araw ngayon, ilang distance nyo? Ang baril, left and right, naintindihan? Okay, move.
Hindi nyo kagad prison. Move!